Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakakat wai terik mutau benai nok pra arjakat kendai. Palat ajar ngot ki Samla Pule na ke Skulbah, University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, Ustm, bat na ke Regional Institute of Science and Technology, Rist Khanapara, kentop iki kentai bakishin rang. Kila Sangeh le Thoh Eksamin, hakani kesngi kum kadang, kejing Pyrshah jur, halor kejing le dan bor ke Sarkar Pedeng, bat ben Pyrshah ya ke Citizenship Amendment Bill. Hakani kesngi kini ki Samla kilami paiba, nadu kapor nyo baje Ustm. Bat temu balik tor shadu syaka, Sekretariat jong ke Jela Assam, Hadispur. Henry kila sakhang lentino, hajan ke Veterinary College, Hakhanapara, hakipulet jong ke Jela Assam. Kini ki Samla Pule ke Skulbah Ustm bat Rist kila penparu kejing Pyrshah bat kejing penramjor yo Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya ukanrat kongkal sangma nangta ya ke MP ketura Lok Sabha Seat ke Agatha sangma bat yo MLA ke Sang BJP ubasan bor Sulai kibala kala jutang nakapor sakapor da ke bakan noru bakideiru kinong set kala ya ke Jela.
We don't care if they are atheists also. What we are against of the illegal immigrants that are going to come in our place, who are going to snatch our job, who are going to snatch our food, who are going to snatch our natural resources. Kene kalong jikar pada barok kena kasih Samla begini mi sikmat makane kadang dai kapor kapabyang mengin peni yang jing teli yang namda kajai bereu ladang mi menta kajai bereu jingi kan dan hapne jing ma ka bakrau ba.
And about Rist and UST means about uniting, unite. We are united today. It's not about just one state here. We are here, 7 states are here. We are protesting against CAB. This is the best thing we are having this in USTM and Rist. All the tribes, all the castes, all the religion, that doesn't matter. It's about uniting together, and that's what is happening in this college. That's the thing that matters, and the government should know this, and the government should know this thing. How will it affect the economy of Northeast? See, we the students of Northeast, not just the students of Northeast, about India. We know the population is also affecting our economy. And even after passing this CAB, even more, so 40 lakhs, 80 lakhs, so many of the Bangladeshis will come to here in Northeast. It will affect the students' lifestyle. It will affect the economy of Northeast so much that we can't even imagine. Is it like BJP is thinking about religious plus the political thing? Religious and political thing is affecting the students' lifestyle indirectly. So that's the worst part happening with this CAB thing. That's why we oppose CAB. The main thing is that it will affect the economy of Northeast very much.
And actually it is defaming the Assam Accord which has been signed, and also the Northeast is united. We are opposing the CAB, and actually it is defaming our constitution. It is violating our secularism. So here everyone from Northeast, we came out here to protest against CAB. Thank you.
Attack the CAB to oppose CAB. So the indigenous people of Tripura are being attacked by the so-called Bangladeshis. So we won't let that happen here in Assam or in Meghalaya or in other states of Northeast. So in order to get rid of that, we have to oppose CAB, and I request everyone to come to the streets and join us protest against this heinous bill. Thank you.
What further step you will take from here?
So today we have planned to march to Khanapara. From there, I think we will surround the secretariat, Assam secretariat. So that is our plan for today. And if this bill passes, then we'll take further more actions.